What should I do?
Hey guys, Josh here with Yohann out at Kelso, checking out the situation we're doing over.
Alright guys, so that's the intro right there. Yohann just did all the work for me. We have proven that I am for sure COVID negative because I got the brain swab. Hey. Good. Right. Oh, I also got some new shorts.
Oh yeah?
Just some Fox Rangers. They're cheap. Smashed the bottom bracket a bit. Oh, damn it, missed that one. Oh, and I just swapped most of my chamois are kind of shit.
Yeah.
But for mountain biking, I didn't really care. I spend more on my road ones. Got some solid rotor rub going. And Zach did just fix it.
Well, once it's like, if it's the brake position, it's easy to dial out, but once the rotor starts bending.
Yeah. Oh!
Stalled. Damn.
Want to go for a redemption?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Alright, redemption.
Oh, not pretty, but all right. Yeah. Alright guys, a really quick interruption from the video. I'm sure that you've already noticed now that the audio sounds a little bit funny at times, and that's because I forgot to do one really crucial thing before I started rolling on my GoPro, and that was check my settings. One setting in particular, and that is the auto noise reduction. Make sure you turn that off, especially if you have a windscreen on your GoPro, because you already have a good noise reduction with that windscreen, and the GoPro doesn't do the best job at thinking when it's best to turn that on, which is actually never. Don't ever have it on. That's the best way to do it. So turn that off, then start rolling, and make sure your windscreen is on, and you will get the cleanest sounding audio. I apologize for the rest of this video, but I accomplished a lot, so hopefully you're entertained by that. So enjoy the rest.
Here I am trying to clear little drops and shit.
I thought you were just speaking in the third person for a second there.
Sometimes. Oh, God.
I think I went to the left side the last time. It was a lot easier.
What?
Joe Schweit?
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah. That's the line. All right, Yohann Borelli.
Even though I'm like going super slow, when I come up through the lip, I can kick out. Just myself at the bottom.
Yeah.
And the faster you go, then it allows you to like.
Ah, that was a weak attempt.
Yeah,
Sure.
I'm doing this on a 125 drop because my God.
All right. I needed a run up.
Yeah, but you see what I did there? Because I was tight, even when I went off, I was able to
Extend and recoil a bit. Absorb. I think I'll just hit it.
so that was great.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling way better on those now.
Cool, let's hit it one more time and we'll ride it out.
Progression session with Yohann. Oh. Oh, no, it's okay. Oh, is this the chicken outline?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The high line's up there.
That's somewhere it's kind of exposed with the ladder bridge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. I didn't see the rock on the left. Oh, I'm finally... getting used to this bike.
Oh, finally some wide open traffic. Getting a bit overgrown in there.
Oh, someone went and took a weed whacker. Ah, fuck.
Don't hesitate.
I was too close behind you. Oh, my tire's still so slick from these puddles.
Oh, uphill skinny. Where's Tim when you need him?
Holy. Pick your rut. Give Yohann a bit of space. Oh, these flat corners are deadly. Up.
Alright.
Woo.
Remember after that first corner, it goes
Up.
uphill.
Yeah, no, keep go, whatever. Loose rock there.
No grip is right. First wash on the optic. Sorry, baby.
I thought you were saying sorry to me. I almost couldn't stop in time. That was a quiet bail. I heard nothing. someone's gonna look for that inside line where you wet the ground and look for some tackiness. Yeah, that's so loose. Are we gonna climb the far side fire road, or?
All right, so I think I'm going to leave it here for this week, but definitely check back in the next episode where I pick my way through the escarpment trail, ride some really rough, techie stuff that I hadn't before, and clear most of the obstacles in rough trade. I think there was only one. It was kind of silly anyway. So we'll see you in the next video. If you like this one, obviously, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you want a bit more of an in-depth GoPro tutorial on how to get some better, cleaner, and better sounding audio.
The new feel.
Yeah, I think that's it. All right, we'll see you next time.